Milo is a small, adventurous mouse with wide, bright eyes that sparkle with curiosity. He has soft, light gray fur and oversized ears that twitch with excitement. He wears a tiny, homemade astronaut helmet crafted from a thimble and a bright red scarf that billows behind him as he dashes around. His determined spirit is evident in his every move. Professor Whiskers is an elderly, distinguished mouse with spectacles perched on his nose and a long, white mustache that twitches when he's deep in thought. He has a slightly hunched posture, covered in soft brown fur, and wears a miniature lab coat filled with pockets containing tiny tools and gadgets. He exudes wisdom and a touch of eccentricity. In a snug burrow beneath the kitchen, lived a mouse named Milo. Unlike his brethren, who sought only crumbs, Milo dreamed of lunar landscapes. Every night, he gazed at the moon's soft glow through a crack in the floor. "I will journey there one day," Milo declared. "I will uncover the moon's secrets." Was it truly cheese, as the legends whispered? One day, Milo sought the wisdom of Professor Whiskers, the oldest and wisest mouse in the burrow. "Professor," he squeaked, "I want to visit the moon." Professor Whiskers adjusted his spectacles. "The moon? Preposterous, young Milo. It's far too distant for a mouse." "But Professor," Milo insisted, "surely there is a way. I've studied the stars, the tides, and the cheese." "I mean, the moon." Intrigued by Milo's enthusiasm, the professor pondered. Perhaps there is a way. It would require a rocket." And so, the pair began construction. They scavenged bottle caps, cardboard tubes, and bits of string. A grand rocket began to take shape in the professor's lab. Days turned into nights. With each snip, glue, and bolt, the rocket grew taller, reaching towards the crack in the floorboards. Finally, the rocket was complete. A gleaming tower of ingenuity, ready for its maiden voyage to the moon. The launch was set for midnight. Milo, suited up, climbed into the cockpit. Professor Whiskers gave a final wave, his heart filled with hope and worry. With a mighty whoosh, the rocket ignited. Milo felt a surge of acceleration as they shot through the crack and into the night sky. The journey was long, but finally, Milo saw it, the moon. It grew larger and larger until it filled the rocket's tiny window. Milo landed with a gentle bump. He opened the hatch and hopped onto the lunar surface. It wasn't cheese, but it was even more amazing. Milo collected samples, planted a flag, and even did a little moon dance before heading home, his heart full of joy and discovery. Back in his burrow, Milo shared his stories with the other mice. From that day on, even the crumb seekers dreamed of reaching for the stars. Beneath, meaning under something. Example, the treasure was hidden beneath the old tree. Think, something is below or underneath something else. Crumbs, meaning tiny pieces of food, usually from bread or cake. Example, ants were carrying crumbs from the cookie. Think, little leftovers from a snack. Lunar landscapes, meaning the surface of the moon. Example, the astronaut walked across the lunar landscape. Think, dusty, rocky land you see on the moon. Gazed, meaning looked at something for a long time. Example, she gazed at the stars in the night sky. Think, a long, dreamy look. Crack, meaning a small break or line in something. Example, a crack appeared in the wall after the storm. Think, a tiny broken line or sound. Declared, meaning said something clearly and strongly. Example, he declared he would win the race. Think, saying something with confidence. Legends, meaning old, famous stories, often magical. Example, legends say dragons once flew here. Think, cool, ancient stories people tell. Whispered, meaning spoke very softly. Example, she whispered a secret to her friend. Think, talking so quietly only one person can hear. Burrow, meaning to dig a hole or tunnel. Example, the rabbit burrowed into the ground. Think, making a cozy hole to hide in. Squeaked, meaning made a short, high-pitched sound. Example, the mouse squeaked when it got scared. Think, a tiny voice or sound, like a toy or mouse. Spectacles, meaning glasses for helping you see. Example, grandpa wore round spectacles to read. Think, fancy word for glasses. Preposterous, meaning silly or ridiculous. Example, a cat flying an airplane? That's preposterous. Think, something that makes you laugh because it's so silly. Distant, meaning far away. Example, a distant mountain peak through the clouds. Think, something you can barely see because it's so far. Intrigued, meaning very interested and curious. Example, she was intrigued by the glowing stone. Think, wanting to know more. Enthusiasm, meaning a lot of excitement and energy. Example, he jumped up with enthusiasm when it was game time. Think, when you're super excited and happy to do something. Pondered, meaning thought deeply about something. Example, she pondered which toy to buy. Think, thinking quietly and carefully. Scavenged, meaning looked around to find and collect things. Example, they scavenged wood for their treehouse. Think, searching like a treasure hunt. Cardboard, meaning thick paper used for boxes. Example, he made a rocket out of cardboard. Think, the stuff cereal boxes are made of. Floorboards, meaning long wooden boards that make up a floor. Example, the old floorboards creaked when she walked. Think, wooden parts of a floor in houses. Gleaming, meaning shining brightly. Example, the knight's armor was gleaming in the sun. Think, something super clean and shiny. Ingenuity, meaning clever thinking or creativity. Example, it took ingenuity to fix the robot with just paper clips. Think, smart, clever ideas to solve a problem. Maiden, meaning first or the very beginning of something. Example, the ship's maiden voyage was exciting. Think, something happening for the first time ever. Voyage, meaning a long journey, especially by sea or space. Example, the pirates began a voyage across the ocean. Think, a grand trip or adventure. Ignited, meaning caught fire or started to burn. Example, the rocket ignited and flew into the sky. Think, a small spark that starts a big flame or action. Acceleration, meaning speeding up. Example, the car's acceleration made it zoom fast. Think, going faster and faster. Bump, meaning small hit or raised spot. Example, she felt a bump when the car went over a rock. Think, a little jolt or a raised spot on something.